For the way we will deal with technicality in technology. In this video is what is this called lookup. Now you actually want to check your Discord, or you are given the permission to actually check someone's Discord. Maybe you actually paid. Now one of the tools you can actually use dnslookup.com. Now you actually over to this what Discord information, then you click on login. Once you actually log in into this information, you have your user ID. Once you have your user ID, click copy and paste the user ID here, then fetch this information, fetch Discord information. Now mind you, I will not be adding my information to this because it might be revealing a lot of information that I don't want it to be revealed. And again, I'm not in support in any misuse of this information, as it might actually lead to jail or a real time bars. At the end of the day, I'm actually using this for training purposes, to actually teach people who actually want to be a white hat and fight against bad act. I hope you actually understand, and do have a nice day. Bye bye.